Hey guys, Filmoments here. In this video, I will show you how to do this text tracking effect on CapCut. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. So this process doesn't use keyframes which is set manually. It's more faster and give you a much better result. So here's a sample of the text tracking effect that I'll be showing you today. So to start, let me just remove the text first and show you how it's done. Okay. Now, let's add a new text. After that, let's position the text to the subject that we want to track. And also one thing, make sure that the length of the text matches the entire video clip. So what you're going to do next is tap on the text. Then from the options below, look for tracking feature. Now tap on it. Now this circle will appear. Adjust the circle just enough to cover the object that you want to track. Then move it to the subject. In my case, this person right here. Then finally, click this Start Tracking. Now the text will follow or track the subject automatically. It will track not just the position, but the text size also adjusts as the subject moves farther. And that's it for this tutorial. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe. That will be a big help for us to create more videos like this in the future. Until next time, peace out.